What's up, guys? Steve here with Ready Set RV. Today we're going to be going to our first Harvest Host location. Riv's going to be here with all the other kiddos. We're going to have Josiah / Fred. We're going to have Millie, so the three of them, and Kristen, and the puppy dog. So we're going to have lots of fun exploring this farm. Again, our first Harvest Host experience, so we'll tell you what that's like. Thanks for joining us.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head says, get out and play, 'cause you never feel this way. It's my lucky day, it's my lucky day. It's my lucky day, my lucky day. Don't need a pot of gold, a rabbit's foot or to be told. It's my lucky day.
We are at farmer's market, right?
No, we're at Walter's Ranch.
Wow, Walter's Fruit Ranch. It's really fun. Let me show you around. I think it's a beautiful view. So, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. Mimi, where are we at?
Walter's Fruit Ranch.
And what are we doing here?
We are staying the night.
Yes.
Walter's Fruit Ranch is part of Harvest Host. So right now, we are exploring their little store. And pretty soon, in about 30 minutes or less, their little store is going to close. And then we are going to go back to where our RV is. And, oh, thank you. And she left, but I'll use it when she comes back. Thank you, thank you.
A few minutes.
And then we're gonna play out in the field over there with the ram and the dogs and the
Not
gophers.
the ram, not the ram.
Oh, we're not gonna play with the ram?
No, I do not want to.
Aww.
Let's go have fun. Nice meeting you. Thank you.
Nice meeting you. Have a good night,
Let's
guys.
see you guys. What do you guys have to say about that? Oh yeah? Good morning. It's day 2 here at Walter's Fruit Ranch, and we had a fabulous night. Hopefully you like the pictures and the videos, and right now we're walking up to their little store. Again, this is a Harvest Host. Just picking up trash. A Harvest Host location. So we're going have breakfast. We stayed for free, and oh man, it was amazing. We had full run of the strawberry patch field, whatever you call it. Full run of pretty much everything that they have out here. So we're headed to breakfast, so we're gonna have a little bit of video and then we're gonna close this out. But again, thanks so much for joining me. What is your favorite thing you did last night?
My favorite
Or yesterday?
thing we did last night was when we roasted marshmallows.
What was your favorite thing?
S'mores.
S'mores? Millie,
Gosh, I would have thought you were.
did you have a favorite thing? Did you have fun? Say yes, Papa. All right, Mimi,
Spikes.
what was your favorite
I
thing?
think my favorite thing was when you turned all of the kids into fireflies.
Oh yeah.
Your smile lights up a room. There's not a single thing that I would change about you, 'cause you're perfect.
My.
Let's go get fork. Come on. Let's go get a fork.
You're gonna be able to eat all those? Because if not, I can eat them for you right now.
You're beautiful, but you don't know it. Your eyes, your hair are like crystals in the sun. Your smile lights up a room. There's not a single thing that I would change about you, 'cause you're perfect, way that God made you. Way that